happy whatever day you are watching this on. How are you guys doing today? So I'm in my car, obviously. I'm on my way to work, just picked up some lashes. Just FYI, if you are a makeup artist and you need to pick up some lashes, I'm telling you, CVS has always got really good deals on like Ardell's, like the big multi-packs. And then they always give me like $3 to $4 off coupons, like all the time, so I get lashes for like reasonably priced when I'm like in a rush and I need lashes. So just a little tip there. So how are you guys doing today? So once again, you guys are going to be playing shotgun with me and going to work. Today is going to be fun, you guys. Today is going to be a really long, fun day. I can't wait to really kind of like show you guys what I'm about to go do. So let's start the car and let's head to work. All right? Let's take our stuff into the elevator. Oh, I got stuck. All right. Casino. Let's walk. So apparently I am the first one here. So I'll give you guys a little tour. Here's a Christmas tree. Here's casino. Here's valet. But yeah, I'm always early. I like to take you guys along with me, so I always try to arrive early. And then there is, I think it's called the Unknown Bar, which is like really cool. It has like a shark that's like cut up in like 4 pieces, and they put them in these glass cages. It's pretty cool. All right, let's go back to the VIP. Is already, it's getting this view captured. It's amazing up here. You look good. You look good, boo. You look good. Look at this. Look at that. All of Vegas. All right here. People don't realize it is suburban life. All of that. My little corner setting up, and then we got Kenneth's little corner. And we have this dial in this corner. She's putting all the looks together. He's so cute. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. All right, we got to the suite that we're gonna shoot in. Let me show you guys. Look at this. What? Wait, guys. Wait. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at this. An infinity pool. that goes and overlooks all of the Vegas Strip. Let's go inside. I'm so nosy. I will find a way to get out here. Wasn't this amazing to look? We should just go swimming, Kenneth.
Yes.
Right? Look at that. It's so pretty. All right, I gotta show you guys this toilet. And it heats it, it bidets it. Gotta love these type of toilets. And it's warm for my tush. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of interesting. It was weird. I had my butt dried. I had it, like, that was a very interesting potty. All right, you guys. Wow. I didn't even get to film a lot of that because me and Kenneth were just pretty much doing hair and makeup all day. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm right now walking back to my car. Woo! I look like a beast. I cannot wait until Mr CoCo opens up at the end of this month. They're having their grand opening. So excited. Thank you, Palms, for having me. Thank you to my team and to the models and to everybody that was involved to make this shoot really good. If you would like to see more of these type of videos, make sure you guys hit that button wherever it may be and you guys subscribe to my channel. And if don't forget to like this as well so I know that you are liking these. I need to put my phone down because my arm is tired and I need to put my shit in my car. Until next time, bye you guys.